What's up, everybody? My name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance review. If you're new to the channel for the first time, thanks for clicking on my video. I appreciate it a lot. I know you like men's fragrance reviews, unboxing, free giveaways, so just click that subscribe button and we can get on with it. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the fragrances from the Tom Ford house, and this fragrance is Tom Ford Oud Wood. I'm going to give you my opinion on it and let you know if it's a good fragrance to try out or don't buy it, or just recommendations. That's it. So stay tuned. So, Tom Ford Oud Wood. This is the 2013 batch version. I got this off eBay, off a seller selling decants. They got it for about 20 bucks, so it's not too bad. You can pick it up at Sephora, Macy's, Nordstrom, your discounted sites online. The price ranges from the small little decant bottles at the stores to the high expensive. So you're looking at about $55 for a big decant bottle, or if you want the big size of it, it's about $605. I'll leave the information in the link below, description, where you can, what size they have and where you can pick it up at. So with this fragrance here, Tom Ford Oud Wood, this fragrance is just very classy fragrance. I feel as if you can wear this dressed up, or you can wear it dressed down. It's one of them fragrances that when I initially spray it, I get the oud of the fragrance, and I get a little bit of the amber and some of the tonka bean in the fragrance. And like with initial spray, it's just, let me spray it for you real quick. It's just, I enjoy this fragrance a lot. I really do enjoy it. Let's talk about projection wise on my skin. I get between 2 to 3 hours of projection. Very good. A lot of Tom Fords I have don't really project that well, except for Tom Ford Gray Vetiver. That one I get about 2 hours of projection. Really great projection. Let's talk about longevity. I get about 4 to 5 hours on my skin, so it's not too bad. Not the best, but it's okay. Compliment factors, I haven't received any compliments wearing this fragrance. People have said that they get compliments when I haven't received any yet. I wore it for about 2 weeks. I haven't received any compliments. So that's just on my skin. Somebody else might buy this fragrance and might get compliments all the time. So just keep that in mind when you look for fragrances and when you buy a fragrance, in your fragrance journey. So now we're going to be talking about some of the occasions when to wear this fragrance. You can wear this fragrance dressed up, dressed down. Either way, it doesn't matter how you wear this fragrance. It's still a nice fragrance. You will get noticed. Let's talk about season when to wear this fragrance. I see this fragrance more towards the winter, the cold months like October, November, December, January. Just when it's really cold outside, it's really great. I think in the heat, in the summertime, will be very cloying. It won't be worth wearing at all. It may be more off-putting than wearing it. That's just my opinion. You can wear whatever you want. You're the one buying this fragrance. I see this fragrance for the ages of maybe 25 and above. I don't really see a high school wearing this fragrance or middle school wearing this fragrance. It's just more of like a classy, rich kind of fragrance. And plus it's Tom Ford. Tom Ford fragrances are not cheap. That's why I barely talk about them on my channel, because I know a lot of people want to get fragrances that are under 100 bucks, maybe $60 to $30 range. And that's what some consumers want. I understand that. I just want to give you a review on this fragrance because Tom Ford Oud Wood is a great fragrance. I've heard on other YouTube channels that it smells really good, so then I got my nose on it and bought a decant on eBay, and it smells fantastic. I enjoy it. Some of the notes that they have in it, it has oud wood, has tonka bean, has vetiver. It's just, I enjoy this fragrance a lot, and I think I'm going to actually buy a bigger bottle of it. But right now I'm just still trying out the decant I bought, and I do enjoy it. I paid $20 for a decant, so it's so far I enjoy worth of it. Have I got compliments with it? No. That's the only the downside I see of this fragrance. I haven't got any compliments with it, but I do enjoy wearing the fragrance. And if you enjoy wearing the fragrance, that's really all that matters, ladies and gentlemen. I know compliments are a big factor when you buy a fragrance, and most people want to get compliments, but sometimes if you like a fragrance for yourself and you smell good and you feel good and confident, then enjoy the fragrance. Tom Ford fragrances, sometimes they don't perform that well. Sometimes they do perform well. Sometimes they're off-putting by scent and smell for some people. But I really enjoy Tom Ford Oud Wood. If you do want to know anything more about this fragrance, please leave a comment below letting me know. If you do like fragrance reviews, unboxings, and free giveaways, well, you turn to the right channel, so click that subscribe button. And if you want to go a step further, click the bell icon so you get notified when I upload new fragrance releases. I hope everybody had a nice and safe 4th of July yesterday. And if you do like this type of videos, hit the like button. Have a nice day. Peace.